Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 40 times of 41 times of 42 times of 43 and plus 1 and its whole square root. So this is algebraic expression. We write this into the simplified form, or we need to find the square root of this nice product addition problem. Okay. So here the very first step we are going to do is, here first we need to rewrite this algebraic expression as in this form. So this is 40 times of 41. We write this 41 as 40 plus 1 multiplied by this is 42. We write 42 as 40 plus 2, and it is multiplied by 43, and we write 43 as 40 plus 3 and plus 1. Okay. Here after this step, you see here each of these terms involve a 40, so that now here we need to take this 40 is equals to x. We will take here x is equals to 40. So when you put this x equals to 40 to the above algebraic expression, it will be written as, this is 40, we write here x times of 40 plus 1. So we put 40 equals to x, it will becomes x plus 1, this will becomes x plus 2, and this will becomes x plus 3 and plus 1. Okay, so this is the simplified form. And now you see here we have, these are some factors which are multiplied by each other. So now here our first target is to rearrange all of these factors. So according to rearrange these factors, here you have some important note or important fact which you can remember here. So in order to rearrange these factors, we need here this nice formula. If you have some factors, these are multiplied by each other. If you have x plus a times x plus b times x plus c times x plus d and plus k, if you have some factors which are multiplied by in this way, then you need to add these numbers here. If you can add these two numbers and you can add these two numbers, and if you get the same answer of these two values, it means that if you add a plus b equals to c plus d, if you when you add these two numbers and it will becomes the same answer, then you rearrange all of these factors in this way. It means that if you can focus here, this is x, we write this x as x plus 0, and here if we add 0 plus 1, it will becomes 1, and if you add 2 plus 3, it will becomes 5. So 1 is not equals to 5. It means that this arrangement of number is not, this arrangement of factor is not suitable for me to solve the further this problem. So here if you add 1 plus 2, you can see here 1 plus 2 becomes 3, and 0 plus 3 becomes also 3. So you see here 3 is equals to 3. It means that you need to rearrange these factors in this way. Here first we write this the pair of x with x plus 3 and the pair of x plus 1 with x plus 2. Okay, so here after that we need to rearrange all of the above factors according to this rule. So we write it as x times of x plus 3, and we have the other two pairs are x plus 1 into x plus 2, and after that we have this is our plus 1. Okay, so further we need to multiply the first two factors and the last two factors. So here when you can multiply the first two factors, it will be written as, when you multiply this x on both of these terms, it will becomes x square plus 3x into, now we need to multiply these two factors here. X times of x becomes x square plus x times of 2 becomes 2x, and 1 times of x becomes x, and 1 times of 2 becomes here 2 and plus 1. So now here we need more simplifications here. So here we rewrite this algebraic expression as x square plus 3x times of x square plus 2x plus x becomes here 3x plus 2 and plus 1. So here you remember one thing is that if you can apply this rule correctly in these factors, then in each of this type of question you get always these two terms becomes same in all of these type of questions. Okay, so here these two values are same, so that now we need to again take here y is equals to x square plus 3x, so that we take x square plus 3x equals to y, so that our above expression is written as, we need to put this value equals to y. It will becomes y times of y plus 2 and plus 1. So now here we need to multiply this value of y on these two terms, and it will be written as y times of y becomes y square, y times of 2 becomes 2y, and this is our plus 1. So further we need to make the completing square of this value, so that now we rearrange or rewrite this value inside the square root r. This is y square plus, we write this 2y as 2 times of y into 1, and plus we write this 1 as 1 square. And now after that we need to apply here this nice algebraic formula. You know that if we have a plus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So here we need to combine this value. So when you combine this value in this form, we will write our above algebraic expression as, y plus 1 whole square. And you see here these 2 and square root are gone, and you will get here y plus 1. And now here we need to move backward, and you see here we will substitute our y equals to x square plus 3x. We need to substitute this value of y here. And so when you put y equals x square plus 3x, this will be written as x square plus 3x plus 1. So if you move more backward than in the start of the problem, we will take here our x is equals to 40. So we need to back substitute this value of x. So it will be written as 40 square plus 3 times of 40 and plus 1. So now here we need to use the traditional method of multiplication or square, in which you easily get the square of this 40. You can learn this method in your primary classes. So here you have 40 times of 40. So we need to multiply these two numbers, and you get 0 times of 0 becomes 0, 0 times of 4 becomes 0, 4 times of 0 becomes 0, 4 times of 4 becomes 16. So we get 0, 0, 6 and 1. It means that we have a 40 square equals to 1600, plus this will be written as 3 times of 0 becomes 0, 3 times of 4 becomes 12, and this is our plus 1. So now here we need to use the traditional method of addition in order to add all of these three values. So we add 1600 by 120 and 1. So we have, this is our 1, this is 2, 6 plus 1 is 7, and this is our 1. So finally we have the final simplified form of the given question is 1, 7 and 2, 1. This is our final answer of this problem. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.